If you've ever wondered how to convert a Photoshop file to SVG, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods that can help you export vector content from Photoshop as an SVG file, including a newer copy and paste method and a reliable legacy export workaround. This is perfect if you're working with text layers, shape layers, or vector paths, and you want a clean, scalable file for web design, logos, or other graphic projects. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software guides. Let's get started. First, let's look at the new right-click choice called Copy SVG. This is one of the easiest ways to pull vector data out of Photoshop when your layer is actually vector-based. To begin, open your Photoshop project and go to the Layers panel. Find the layer you want to export and make sure it is a text layer, a shape layer, or a vector path. This matters because SVG works best with mathematical vector content, not normal raster images. Once you've selected the correct layer, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Copy SVG. Photoshop will copy the vector information directly to your clipboard. Now open in the plain text editor on your computer, such as Notepad on Windows or Text Edit on Mac. Paste the content into the document using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+C on Mac. You should now see a block of clean XML code. That code is the SVG data. The next step is to save it correctly. Go to File, then choose Save As. Give your file a name, and this part is important. Manually change the extension from .txt to the SVG. For example, you can name it logo.svg. If your text editor has a file type dropdown, set it to all files before saving, then click Save. That's it. You've effectively created an SVG file from Photoshop using the copied vector code. Now, if you don't see the Copy SVG option or you want a more traditional export method, there's another great workaround using Legacy Export As. This restores the older export menu style, which still includes SVG support in Photoshop. To turn it on, go to the top menu bar. On Windows, click Edit, then Preferences, then Export. On Mac, click Photoshop, then Settings or Preferences, then Export. In the Export Preferences window, look near the bottom half and check the box that says Use Legacy Export As. Then click OK to save the change. For best results, close Photoshop and reopen it so that the older menu layout loads properly. After that, open your project file again. Now go to File, then Export As. Because you enabled Legacy Export As, you should see the older export window. In the top right corner, open the Format drop-down menu and you should now see SVG listed again. Select SVG, then click the blue Export button in the bottom right corner. Choose where you want to save the file. Click Save, and Photoshop will export your SVG. Keep in mind that this method works best with clean text layers, vector shapes, and paths. If you're trying to export a compressed pixel-based image, SVG is not the right format for that content. SVG is designed for scalable vector graphics, so the cleaner your source layer is, the better your final result will be. So if you needed to convert a Photoshop file to SVG, now you know two methods: the Copy SVG approach for direct vector data, and the Legacy Export as workaround for restoring SVG export inside Photoshop. Both can be incredibly useful depending on your version of Photoshop and the kind of layer you're working with. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.